Alright, so we're working on the 1992 Dodge Dakota LE 4x4 today. We're getting an inch of snow today, so we are switching from mud and snow tires, but these aren't studded, to studded snow tires for winter. Also, that's how it looks after the tire comes off. But after I get the tire off, what I do is I take my caliper paint and I wipe it off with my paint thinner, and I make it look like that, so you can see your brake caliper in behind it. And on the back, I do have drums on the back, but as you can see, that gives a really nice effect for that too. Using a method like this, you can take your stock wheels and then turn it into something that really looks great. You know, I've seen a lot of people thought they had to buy new mags because the brake calipers are rusty. So they put the new mags on, and you can still see rusty brake calipers behind there. Didn't make any sense to me, but it just made them feel a lot better, and I'm happy about that. Anyway, so that's what we're doing today at Rudy Racing. I'm starting with this one, and we'll put studded snow tires all the way around on every vehicle I got that runs good, because you know what, there's going to be lots of snow and lots of ice out there, and my cars will probably outrun a lot of four-wheel drive trucks because they ain't going to put on studded snow tires like I'm doing with mine today. So thank you very much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.